The most useful skill in HeyGen isn't in HeyGen. It's prompting, how you ask for what you want. And guess what? The same habits that get you better HeyGen videos get you better results everywhere else you use prompts. Learn it once, use it everywhere. Let's get started. Hey friends, Mary Lou here, and this is Starting with HeyGen. Today we're doing prompting. For real. I'm not here to teach you hacks, and I don't want to give you copy-paste templates. I want to give you 5 habits that really make a difference and that you can use every time you type into an AI tool. And of course, I will show you where each habit is useful inside of HeyGen. Before we go any further, we need to talk about your approach. You must come at it as if you're a director if you want to have good results. Most people prompt like they're typing into a search bar. A few keywords: businesswoman, office, professional. And I get it. Not everyone is used to giving direction, but I really want you to know that an AI tool is not a search bar. It's a very fast, very literal production crew, and it will build exactly what you briefed, which can be a problem because if you don't tell it what to do, it might make things up for you. And if I know you, you don't want that. So talk to it like you're a director. Who's the person? Where do they live? What's the vibe? How do they talk? What should the viewer feel? Instead of just asking for a woman talking about coffee, you should ask for a warm, upbeat creator in her 30s in a sunny kitchen, holding a nice coffee, talking to the camera like she's catching up with a friend. Relaxed, a little playful. Generic keywords are going to get you a generic output. Being specific and detailed is going to give you outputs that are so much better. Now, the stuff I really want you to pay attention to. A good prompt has 5 parts. That's it. You're going to want to take notes. Part 1, who? Who's on screen and who are they talking to? In HeyGen, the who is on screen part is your avatar, which is selected if you've already made it. The who it's for goes into your prompt. Part 2, what? The message, the shape, and not just the topic. Open with a question, 3 quick points, end with an invite. Shape is the difference between a video and just rambling. Part 3, where? Setting, outfit, overall look. And when it's easier, show it. We talked about avatar wardrobe a few episodes back. The car with the iced coffee look came from reference screenshots for the look I was going for. In the create window, there is literally an attachments button for this. Part 4, how? The feeling, tone, pacing, energy. What should the viewer feel? This is the part everyone skips, and it's the part that kills the robot vibe. HeyGen even gives it its own box called instructions, which asks us to tell me anything else you'd like me to keep in mind. Part 5, specs. How long? What format? In HeyGen, these are drop downs: duration and portrait or landscape. Lock them in. Remember, we want to prompt who says what, where, and how, and to spec. If you skip any of the parts, the tools will guess, and guessing is where generic comes from. And notice, nothing in those 5 parts is HeyGen-specific. You can take this framework to any AI tool that you want to prompt. Now let's do it for real. The prompt box on the home screen, that's the video agent. See this little drop down? 2 modes. Plan, you plan the video together, and Autopilot, it builds for us. We want plan because understanding how all of this works is the point. Let's say I run a little candle business and I want a welcome video for my Instagram. Here's the actual prompt. Watch for the 5 parts. Make a 30-second welcome video for my small candle business presented by my avatar that opens with a question about why store-bought candles never smell like anything. Then 3 quick points: small batches, real ingredients, made to order, and ends by inviting people along. Setting: a cozy, warm workshop feel with soft, natural light. Tone: warm and conversational, like chatting with a regular customer, not salesy. Portrait format, 30 seconds. This is going on Instagram. Did you catch all 5? Who? My avatar talking to the customer. What? A question, 3 points, and an invite. Where? The cozy workshop, soft light. How? Warm, not salesy. Specs, 30 seconds, portrait. HeyGen comes back with the plan before it builds anything. Read it and be willing to give notes. When the plan matches what you asked for, that's when you generate, not before. Now, maybe writing paragraphs isn't your thing. You see this slider icon next to the prompt box? It opens the create window, and it's literally your prompt broken into fields. Basics, that's your specs. I'm setting 30 seconds, portrait. Script, that's your what. Type your message or hand scriptwriter the rough version. Mine says, write me a script that opens with a question about why store-bought candles never smell like anything. Then 3 quick points: small batches, real ingredients, made to order, and ends by inviting people along. Instructions, that's your how. HeyGen literally asks, anything else you'd like me to keep in mind? Mine says, keep it warm and conversational, like chatting with a real customer. No hard sell. Slow down on the 3 points. Attachments. That's your where, shown instead of described. 1 or 2 photos of the actual vibe that you're going for. And your avatar and voice are already pinned. That's your who. One more thing to keep in mind, iterating. You are never stuck with the first result, and you need to be willing to give notes. Using plain language, 1 change at a time. Notes I might give would be swap the background for a bright, tidy home office. Keep everything else the same. Warmer and slower, like explaining to a friend, not presenting to a room. Pick up the energy in the first 5 seconds, then settle into a steady, confident pace. Name what's wrong, change 1 thing, then you know exactly what worked. And before we wrap up, watch what happens when I take 1 lazy prompt and actually do it right. The most basic version, candle video. A welcome video for my candle business is a little better, but not good enough. A 60-second welcome video for my candle business with 3 points ending with a follow invite. Getting warmer, but our full 5-part brief from earlier, that is what we're looking for. See how all of those are the same idea, but very different versions. Give it a great prompt and you are more likely to get a great output. Congrats, you are a director now. Who says what, where, how, and to spec. Write it as 1 brief in the video agent or fill in the fields in the create window. And when it's close but not right, tell it what's wrong in plain language, 1 change at a time. Practice this in HeyGen this week and notice it making everything else you prompt better too. We're on a mission to make sure you get the best results out of your HeyGen avatars. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single video. And if this series is helping you, drop a comment. I love to see them. See you in the next one.